Welcome back to Russian with Nastya. How are you today? Как дела? У меня замечательно. Today I'm going to share with you 5 tips how to learn Russian faster. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And let's start. Поехали. First of all, and this is the most important thing, you have to have a goal with a time frame. For example, I will learn B1 in 6 months, or I will be able to have a conversation with my Russian friends in 2 months. Number 2 is motivation. Without motivation, you will give up very quickly. So, what's your motivation? Do you want to travel in Russia? Do you want to work in Russia? Do you want to find a Russian girlfriend or wife, boyfriend or husband? Why not? I'm not judging. This is a good motivation. So, let me know in comments what is your motivation. I'm very curious. Number 3 is learning every day at least 1 hour. You can split this hour in 30 minutes in the morning and 30 minutes in the evening. You can learn something new only by repeating it every day. Number 4, find yourself a Russian teacher and do a class at least once a week because you still need a guidance. There will always be questions that you can ask your teacher and clear all these things up. Number 5, surround yourself with Russian language. Watch movies only in Russian. Even if you don't understand at the beginning, you still have to get used to the sound of it. Listen only to Russian music, watch only Russian TV shows, listen to Russian radio, talk with Russian people, talk to yourself in Russian. Read only Russian books, newspapers, magazines. Let me know in comments what are your tips for learning Russian faster. What's your experience? Thank you very much for watching. That's all for today. I hope this was helpful. Connect with me on all my social medias. I've got Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Спасибо за внимание. До свидания.